नमस्कार. विजय नवी मुंबईच्या कार्यक्रमात तुमचं सगळ्यांचं स्वागत. मी अँकर श्रद्धा उतेकर आणि आज माझ्यासोबत गप्पा मारण्यासाठी आल्यात विजय नहाटा फाउंडेशन महिला विकास मंचच्या चेअरपर्सन मिसेस गार्गी नहाटा मैम. तो मैम वेलकम यू
थैंक यू सो मच
एंड थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग.
थैंक्स।
तो आज हम बातें करने वाले हैं कि आपने जो भी फाउंडेशन की ओर से जो भी हमारी महिलाओं के लिए किया है, हाउ आर यू रनिंग दैट, who is behind that, how are you supporting and empowering women? So I would love to also understand ki how do we started.
विजय नाहटा फाउंडेशन इज़ अ फाउंडेशन जो नवी मुंबई में बहुत सालों से काम कर रही है, 10-15 साल हो गए अभी। इट्स अ फाउंडेशन दैट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय माय फादर इन लॉ विजय नाहटा जी। उनका फोकस और विजन यही रहा है हमेशा कि नवी मुंबई के लोगों को एम्पावर करना है, बी इट मैन, वुमेन, चिल्ड्रन। उनका डेवलपमेंट करना है, उनको सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बनाना है, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है, whether it is relating to health, whether it is relating to education, whether it is relating to infrastructure, whether it's relating to development. तो दैट वाज द विजन जिससे विजय नाहटा जी ने विजय नाहटा फाउंडेशन को इस्टेब्लिश करा था। एंड वेरी रिसेंटली वी स्टार्टेड अ महिला विकास मंच, उसका एक ब्रांच है। महिला विकास मंच एक्चुअली फोकस करता है स्पेसिफिकली ऑन विमेन, बिकॉज समवेयर डाउन द लाइन ऐसा लगता है कि विमेन के लिए लोग इतना नहीं करते हैं। विमेन आर द पीपल हु आर द बैकबोन ऑफ आवर एंटायर सोसाइटी। दे टेक केयर ऑफ home, they take care of their families, they take care outside. Now women are even coming out, they are working and they're everywhere. So लेकिन उनका education, उनका health, उनका development का स्पेसिफिक रीज़न के लिए हमने महिला विकास मंच का इस्टेब्लिशमेंट करा है। अभी ऑन डेट महिला विकास मंच की 4000 प्लस मेंबर्स हैं एंड दे आर फ्रॉम वेरीड कल्चर्स, varied classes. I mean, we have some very well educated working women, we have some amazing housewives, we have some amazing women जो घर पे काम करते हैं, so it's a varied variety of women. They all come together, वो इस मंच के थ्रू कनेक्ट हो गए हैं and they work with each other, they work for each other, they work to empower each other, they uplift each other, they help each other in ways beyond, and it's going great. We have done a lot of cancer health checkups. वो तो cancer health checkups actually विजय नाहटा फाउंडेशन की तरफ से काफ़ी सालों से करे जा रहे हैं, बट दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम जब हमने उसको महिला विकास मंच के अंडर करा। वी ऑल्सो डू अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लड टेस्ट, अ लॉट ऑफ डेंटल चेकअप्स फॉर द वुमेन। विजय नाहटा फाउंडेशन का एक कार्ड है जो स्पेसिफिकली महिला विकास मंच की वुमेन के लिए बनाया गया है। उस कार्ड के थ्रू जो वुमेन हमारी मेंबर्स हैं उनको काफ़ी सारे हॉस्पिटल्स लाइक सूर्या हॉस्पिटल्स, डायग्नोपेन डायग्नोस्टिक लैब्स, तेरना हॉस्पिटल, एमपी हॉस्पिटल में उनको बहुत डिस्काउंट्स मिलते हैं, वेदर इट इज़ योर टेस्ट, वेदर इट इज़ योर प्रोसीजर्स, वेदर इट इज़ पोस्ट स्टॉप, पर सब में उनको 10 to 15% डिस्काउंट मिलते हैं, अप टू 50% डिस्काउंट मिलते हैं। अ लॉट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स में उनको फ्री चेकअप्स मिलते हैं, वेदर इट इज़ आई चेकअप, वेदर इट इज़ द ब्लड टेस्ट। सो द women, it's basically, you say it is like a one-stop shop for women to help them mentally, help them physically, help them like an overall development for them.
So good to hear, ma'am, that we have a power of 4000 women together in our foundation. And अगर अभी और भी जो औरतें हैं या फिर a working woman, a housewife or any other lady, a girl who wants to join our foundation, तो वो क्या कर सकती है? How can she contact us?
हमारे महिला विकास मंच के विभाग कार्यकर्ता है। वी हैव लाइक स्पेसिफिक वुमेन ऑफ एवरी एरिया हु हैंडल्स देयर एरिया। वहाँ के जितने भी न्यू मेंबर्स आते हैं, इंडक्शन ऑफ द मेंबर्स, फिलिंग आउट द फॉर्म्स, कीपिंग अ मास्टर डाटा, सेंडिंग आउट द प्रिंटिंग ऑफ द cards and everything. So we have every area में हमारे हैं and it's an ongoing process. Like last week we had 3,500 members which has become 4,000, which is just increasing every day,
great.
So we have a lot of appointed people who are बोलते हैं जोर शोर से वो काम कर रहे हैं, and you know they are like spread across Navi Mumbai, and the intake is just increasing day by day. In fact, I would love for you also to be a part of our Vikas Manch. Please do join us.
Yes, yes,
It'll be
I'll be
great. We
happy.
would love to have people like you also join us.
Surely ma'am, I'll be happy to be a part of your foundation जहाँ पे इतनी सारी empowerment है. और एक चीज़ मैं जानना चाहती कि what all are the the activities या फिर क्या क्या हम लोग मतलब ladies do, what all options we have.
So see, we have a varied options. What we do is we center around the skill development of women. So skill development matlab there are areas where women need a particular skill which they have or they want to have. So for example अभी सीवुड्स में ही हमने एक स्विंग का एक like you say ट्रेनिंग रखा था जहाँ पे अराउंड 20 women ने स्विंग लर्न करा. हमने उनको स्विंग मशीन्स दी है. नाउ दे हैव स्टार्टेड इवन वर्किंग from a space which was given to them by Vijay Nahata Foundation. They started their swing activities. We also do a lot of yoga training for them, a lot of beautician courses training, and the we keep on making sure that कोई ना कोई activity हर area में होता ही रहे, so that women, it's not even about skill development but personal growth भी होता है women का with all this. Also we do a lot of cultural events like Mangla Gaur का event होता है which is very famous among women. We do Ganpati Darshans. We do a lot of Mahila Milava. मतलब we call all the women, all our women members, we call them somewhere, we do some different activities for them. We had done a bhajan kirtan show for them. We had done a games like a games evening for them, so we keep on getting them together so that they meet each other, वो लोग बात करें, वो लोग mingle हो एक दूसरे
थोड़ा
से,
stress free हो.
exactly, so that it's very important कि mental health issues are going so much these days. They are going around, and a woman is so strong, but it does affect them somewhere or the other. So just to make sure that they have a lot of fun, हमने बहुत सारे देव दर्शन करे हैं उनके लिए, पिकनिक्स करे हैं. So it's like they are part of a part of an organization of women who are like-minded. जो they do a lot of fun things also. They do a lot of educational things also. We make sure that we do a lot of health benefits for them. So it's like a punch package.
Good to hear all this, ma'am. And as ma'am you said कि we have many such criteria. जैसे आपने अभी बताया कि स्विंग मशीन का जो हमने ट्रेनिंग दी थी, are this training free or these are they paid? Do we take any fees or any charges so that the upcoming ladies who are going to join our foundation should know कि we are doing this service which is free or it is paid?
No, it is absolutely free of cost. सारा खर्चा महिला विकास मंच उठाते हैं. The whole point is that every strata of women should be able to come to us and be a part of us and enjoy with us. So that stress of even 10 rupees is not there. Everything is absolutely free of cost, and everything is involved with a lot of effort, a lot of heart, a lot of sweat and blood of all the women. So even जो organizers होते हैं, they are women. We make sure कि हम जिनको बुलाते हैं वो भी women हैं. So it's like a complete women organization for women, by the women and to the women.
Okay. And one more thing, ma'am, I would like to hear from you is कि how is the support of our Vijay Nahata sir for this? As I know, he is the only backbone because our Mahila Vikas Manch is a part of Vijay Nahata Foundation. So sir का support हमारी ladies के लिए, how is his involvement during the activities and all?
Vijay Nahata ji is a educated man, and it really shows in the efforts that he makes, because women के लिए usually a lot of people अनदेखा कर देते हैं और they miss them. But Vijay Nahata ji का एक main aim रहा है कि he really wants to do something big for women. His vision is big, and he keeps on making efforts. I mean, all these events that I'm talking about are a culmination of his brainchild, are a culmination of his brain, and he is the one who basically is always more active, I think tenfold active than us. and keeps on encouraging us to do things. He says, don't worry about anything, don't worry about management, organizing. We will, you know, give everything that you want, but make sure that the women come. A lot of women come, a lot of women join us, and they enjoy themselves, you know. So he's the backbone, as you rightly said, but he's also a visionary, and everything that we do, ये पूरा ये मंच ही उनका vision है, you know. And this is just 10% of what we have done till now. I mean, we are just every month, as I told you, our members are increasing, our events are increasing, our vision is increasing, everything is just increasing tenfold, you know.
One last question, ma'am. अभी ये जो foundation है, and you, as you know, the elections are coming up. So, do you think this foundation is going to help Vijay Nahta sir to win this election?
See, as I told you, that this is a brainchild of Vijay Nahata ji. Vijay Nahata Foundation and Mahila Vikas Manch is his, you know, is his soul. So he has made this not with the agenda of anything political, but this has been a part of his life, his everyday work for the past 15 years. So, I mean, it would help. I would hope so. It would help because people are very educated, people are very smart, people are seeing what is happening. So it is up to the people to decide whether they want to help him or no by knowing all of this, you know. He's a great man, he's a very well educated person, he's an ex-IS officer, he has got so many awards from the Prime Minister, from the President. He has made Navi Mumbai what it is right now. And imagine if he comes in power, it is going to be, I mean, I cannot imagine. So it's up to the imagination of the people. So it is up to them. People are very smart. They have, you know, they need a change. Everyone needs a change. So the wave should come. I mean, it is in the hands of our people. And Vijay Nahata ji is a people person. He's always worked for the people. He's always done, you know, Samaj Seva, as you call it. And let's see, I mean, I hope so it does, but let's see what the future holds.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was great talking to you.
Yeah, same here. Thank you, Shraddha. Had a wonderful time.
Thank you so much.